Good morning, class 5. This is your EVS class as we are having our PT1 exam. So I'll take your revision class of super senses. Okay. Now we will start with the small questions or the short questions because this is a MCQ exam. So you will get all the answers from the revision class. That's why I'll take your short questions or only the MCQ pattern question. First one is, today I'm revising the activity book. So the first question is fill in the blank with the correct words. So some dash can hear even the faintest sound. So it should be animals. Next one is dogs can make out if another has come into their area by smell of its urine. So the dog. So the dogs can make out if another dog has come into this area by the smell of urine. The third fill in the blank is dash can find us by the smell of our body. So who can find us? We know by the smell of our soul and the body. Who finds us? Mosquitoes. So this is the answer. Mosquitoes can find us by the smell of our body. And the fourth one is different animals have different power. So you know the animal have the great sensing power. So here should be sensing. Different animals have different sensing power. Fifth one, animals dash with each other in their own language. So maybe it is a sign language, maybe some indications, but they communicate with each other in their own language. Okay. So the fifth one is communication or the communicate. And the sixth one is dash cannot see many colors like us. Animals cannot see, they can see only few colors. Even dogs can see only black and white. And few animals like the human beings can see, and a few other animals can see few of the colors. But more or less other animals cannot see the colors. So animals cannot see other colors like us. Next one is animals respond differently when dash approaches them. So we know few animals become fearful, few animals ran away, and some animals are there who started to attack on others. So it is the approach. So what will be the answer? Animals respond differently when danger approaches us. Okay. Now this is all about the fill in the blank. Now true false is there. Animals can see, hear, smell, taste and feel. So it is a true statement. There are different statements. We have to write true and false. So it is a true statement. As ants move, they leave some food on the ground. So it is a false statement. How they will leave the food particles on the ground? They carry them. If there is some food particle, they carry them. Okay, they do not just leave them. Smell can be good or bad as per others' perception. It's a true statement. Now next one is birds have to turn their eyes to see around. It is a false statement because birds have to move their neck, not their eyes are actually fixed eyes. So they have to move their neck. Next one is animals have their own language to communicate with each other. It is a true statement. Now the next one is different animals have similar sleeping time. So you know this is a wrong statement. Few animals sleeps only. Few animals sleep only 2 hours and another one is there who sleeps more than 8 hours. So there are different times for the different animals. So it is a false statement. Now question answer, if we'll see the small question. What do ants behind when they move? So the ants leave a smell on the ground and the rest of the ants follow the smell to find the path. So this is the smell they follow. Okay. Next, why do animals move their neck so often? So the most of the birds have fixed eyes which they cannot move. So birds have to turn their neck very often. Next question, how do insects find their female partner? Insects can recognize or find their female partners by their smell. So even their partners are 2 to 3 kilometers away, even by the smell they can find them, they can face them. Okay. So it is especially for the silkworm. They have that special capacity to find their partners by their smell. Next one is how does a tiger find prey in the night? So the tiger's whiskers are very sensitive. It can sense the movement or vibrations in the air and help the tiger to move in the dark and finds its prey. So they can see 6 times better than us. So this is the way they can find their prey in the darkest of the night. Next one is match the following animals in the column A with the proper usage in their column. So the column 1 is tiger, elephant, snake and rhinoceros, whereas their special features are given in the next column that are horn, skin, tusk and scent. So we have to match them. So the first one is tiger matches with the scent, and the elephant matches with the tusk, because we know for their tusk they are poaching for their tusk. The snake is third is for their skin, and the rhinoceros is the fourth one. They have the horn. So that's all for the day. You have just going through. You have just revised all the short answers of the chapter, and this chapter will come in your PT2. So just go through it and revise through it. If you have somewhere you have left the first question answers in your copy or in your activity book, so you'll complete it, and if you have any queries or questions, then you can ask me in the e-portal. Okay, thank you for the day. Have a nice day.